Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stop your Audible membership. To start this process, you must go to the Audible website using a desktop or laptop computer, as the mobile app does not allow for direct membership cancellation. A web browser is essential for these steps. Make sure you are logged into the correct account you wish to cancel before proceeding. This initial step is crucial for successful termination. Once you are logged in to the Audible website, look for your username, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your username, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, you need to select Account Details. This action will take you to a page where all your membership information is clearly displayed and accessible. Now, on your Account Details page, locate the section specifically labeled Membership Details. Within this section, you will find a link that says Cancel Membership. Click on this link to initiate the process. Audible might present you with alternative options, such as pausing your membership for a few months or switching to a different plan. Take a moment to consider these. Audible will likely present you with a series of offers designed to make you reconsider canceling your membership. These might include free credits or a reduced price for a few months. Read each offer carefully, but if you still wish to cancel, consistently select the option to decline. Eventually, you will find a button or link clearly stating, "No thanks, continue canceling."
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.